Topic is Fischer Indole synthesis. In this synthesis, you have to take phenylhydrazine and aldehyde or ketone. In the first step, they condensed here phenylhydrazine part and ketonic part. Then we are doing this reaction in acidic condition. In acidic condition, the H plus will attach here on this nitrogen. Nitrogen is having lone pair of electron which can be shared with this hydrogen. So this hydrogen will attach here NH. Now nitrogen will have plus charge. Now this nitrogen, because having plus charge and more electronegative than carbon, so it will pull electron toward itself. So it will become NH, is neutral, but by taking electron from this carbon, this will become plus charged. Now this is neutralized by loss of one hydrogen and sharing this electron between these two carbons, so double bond will form here. Next step, again the H plus will attach on this nitrogen. Because of 4 valency, it will have plus charge and a sigmatropic rearrangement will take place. Here this bond of aromatic benzene will take part. This carbon will connect to this carbon, what we are seeing here. Then this bond shift this side here, and this bond will be shifted on this side, and therefore nitrogen bond will be broken. NH2, sorry, NH, and here NH2. Nitrogen is having 2 valency, therefore plus charge. Because here we are seeing the aromaticity is broken, so aromaticity is regained. This nitrogen will pull electron toward itself. It will become N minus H, and this hydrogen or benzene ring will be lost as H plus. The electron will be shared again in the benzene ring, so aromaticity is regained. This H plus, which is broken, and this is N minus, so this H plus will attach here and it will become NH2. Next step, this lone pair of electron of nitrogen will attack on this carbon, and this nitrogen will pull electron toward itself, because it is having plus charge, more electronegativity. So this is easy step. Nitrogen attack on this carbon, electron on this nitrogen, it will become NH2, and this nitrogen, when it is attached, because of 4 valency, it will be a plus charge. Next step, this loss of hydrogen will take place. Electron will be retained on the nitrogen, so loss of hydrogen, and here loss of NH3. In this NH2, as we know, that is more electronegative than carbon, so it will electron toward itself, it will take NH2, and because it is taking electron, so this carbon will have plus charge, and one hydrogen from here will be lost, and electron would be shared here between these two carbon. So double bond will be formed here. Nitrogen is lost, but is NH2 not as a N minus H2, but with one hydrogen, so NH3. This is NH2, this hydrogen NH3, electron shared here of that hydrogen, and nitrogen is taking electron, and this one hydrogen, so H plus NH3. These two atoms, molecules will be lost, and the indole derivative will form.